Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, we're going to be talking about a not so exciting product. Yes, we are talking about USB-C cables. These cables are not provided, but basically made. I'm not sponsored. These are made by a company called INIU. I don't know how to say the name, but they were on sale during Black Friday, and I picked up a couple. They seemed extremely well reviewed. One of the things I noticed straight away is how well built they are. They feel extremely premium in your hand, and they feel like they've been made to last a long time. So in the pack you get two cables, and the cables charge and transfer data, so which is a real good bonus. They're 2 meters in length and they're 100 watts. So what that means is basically they provide ultra fast charging with power delivery. The key thing, I suppose, with these cables is they're nylon braided, and if you've been using cables for a long time, you'll know that over a period of time these things can break. I've had several Apple cables flake and start to break away. So when it comes to buying cables and power banks and things, I normally resort to a company called Anchor. I'm sure you're all aware of who they are, but as a one-off I thought, hey, let me try these guys out, and so far, to be honest, I've not been disappointed. So far so good. Packaging is good, product looks like it's really high quality, and as I said, with it being nylon braided, for me it was just a win-win situation, especially when you factor in how much it cost. The current price I think is about £8.50. I think that works out about $12 in US. I don't know if this is something that you can get in the US actually, but obviously this was bought off Amazon in the UK. So anyway, not going to make this a long video. I'm going to keep it short and sweet, but as I said, I picked up a couple of these, and I think if you're in the market for some cables, you should definitely get some of these. Alright guys, peace, and I'll see you in the next one.